I think it's like the compressor. I don't know what makes a compressor make a sound like that, but it's pretty well happening all the time now. Is my fridge dying? How much longer does it have to live? Also, unrelated fridge questions. Do you think a fridge does better mostly empty or mostly full of stuff? In terms of, its ability to keep things cold and not cripple itself by working too hard and whatnot. I don't know. I don't really know a whole lot about fridges. I mean, I understand the basic principles of the compression and expansion of the gas is what causes the cooling effect. But see, what would make that rattle? I don't know. Is that like an air bubble moving around inside, or who knows? Anyway, it's incredibly annoying. And if this fridge can't be fixed, then I don't want this fridge.